with me. She's wondering what goes to her. She goes on a man and dances along her hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love lights in your eyes. And the wonder all along is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home, and I got an aging hand, so I give her the car keys, and she has me to bed. And then I tell her, is I tell her a lie, I swear I